Are you looking for a twist on pizza night? Then look no further. These pizza subs are the ultimate twist to any pizza night, using common ingredients that you have in your pantry or your fridge. We're going to transform your pizza night into something unique. Let's get started. Okay, so we're just going to take some hot dog buns, actually, and you can check out our recipe. We'll link that at the end screen. We're just going to split these open. Obviously, you can just use store-bought ones if that's what you have. And we're going to set those aside. We're going to go ahead and take the caps off. To the mushrooms, if you need to wipe them off and brush it off, you can do that. Go right ahead, because I know sometimes the mushrooms do have a little bit of stuff on them. And we're just going to cut these into slices. We're just going to saute these mushrooms down because to help cook them down so there's not too much excess moisture, and you don't want your buns to be soggy. And we're just going to, after you saute your mushrooms, go ahead and also make sure you have your red onions and whatever ingredients that you're going to use prepared. Okay, we're going to use some provolone cheese slices. We're actually going to line, and we're going to just put a little bit of cheddar at the opposite end. You're going to do that for each of your hot dog bun. And that cheese kind of helps create a barrier too as well. And next we're going to place our pepperonis. Just all throughout. All right. We're going to take those mushrooms that we cooked down, and we're just going to put some there as well. If you want a little onion or banana peppers, you can top it with that as well. Next, we're going to take our homemade pizza sauce, and we have a video on that if you would like to check that out as well. And you're just going to go ahead and put a generous amount. And we're going to top it with some freshly grated provolone mozzarella cheese. We're going to pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melty. All right, here it is. And we just sprinkle some parsley on top. The bun's nice and toast and crispy and cheese melted. You can't go wrong. All right, and if this video was at all helpful to you, I ask that you press that thumbs up and press that like button. Also, comment down below, are you gonna try pizza subs? Ring the notification bell, and don't forget to check out our latest video uploads.